In a health alert now, Washington state officials are reporting that whooping cough is spreading. The Department of Health says as of last weekend, nearly 1,200 cases have been reported. At this time last year, 51 cases were reported. At least 28 people have been hospitalized. 12 of them are babies. A whooping cough has been reported in 31 counties. Clark, Chelan, and Whitman counties are seeing the highest rates. Health officials say vaccination is the key to preventing severe illness.